Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. So the upper wing is pretty much done. I just have to shoot blast the hot air over it. This is the EAA Biplane upper wing design. I'm pretty happy with it. That's the way I wanted it, just with the stop there. This is the upper wing, and there's the bottom wing. I still have to clean up all the little nicks and everything like that. Here it kind of overstretched it, kind of started dragging a little bit, but I can kind of heat it up a little bit and just get these wrinkles out. These are where the stays will be for the holders for the upper wing. And I'll just clean it up a little bit. Got a couple of little areas to fill in, but the wing's pretty much done. So now on to the bottom wing, and got to look for some power for the motor for the airplane. And what battery I'll be using, I'll probably use a 3300 or a 4000 milliamp 4S battery. I think a 4000 milliamp battery for this airplane will be just enough. And we'll still keep on cracking. Just a short update, guys, just to give you guys what's going on. All right. We'll talk to you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.